Oh hi, this is David Kavanaugh, and I'm going to show how I fix a problem that I've run into a number of times. I'm sure I'm not the first one. So I was starting a print, and I thought, oh, this is great. And then I noticed a little bit of filament sort of hanging off the extruder tip, and I'm like, oh, great. I think that's going to be a problem, but let's see how it goes. So I watched it. It started extruding the skirt around the part, and then it started trying to print, but then it kind of bunched up on the extruder tip, and that's not a good thing. Basically, it's not extruding where it's supposed to, and it's bunching up. You might be able to see in there that there's a big kind of black glob on that, and so this is a pretty easy thing to fix. I'm going to raise the Z. We need to get some space underneath this so that we can get at the extruder tip. Let's see if I can raise the camera with it. Yeah, this will work out. Alright, that should be good enough. Basically, I've got, I don't know, I can almost stick my hand underneath here. So I have some paper towel that I folded up because that extruder is hot. It has to be hot for this to work, because what we're going to do is try to get that plastic, melted plastic, off of there. This is PTG. I was printing at 215 degrees, and so you can use the paper towel to pull it off. And I've got a big glob right there. I can set that to the side, but you can really clean off the tip pretty well by rubbing the paper towel across, drag it across the extruder, and you can clean off the block and everything with this. So yeah, this is a really easy way to clean everything off. One time I had a humongous glob of plastic. I left something printing overnight, and things went horribly wrong. I woke up to a humongous, I don't know how to describe it, globulous piece of PLA wrapped around my hot end. And I had to basically heat up the hot end and start wiggling until I could get the thing off. It was in fact wrapped around the cabling and everything. So that was kind of a mess. But as you can see, I'm actually still using the original hot end. I have a different tip on there. But anyway, that's it, and I should be able to make a good print now. Thanks for watching.